Today question is how to separate the real and imaginary part in any trigonometric function. So the question is I have example as the tan minus inverse and if theta is equals to x plus iota y. So solve as two variable as a and b. A is denote a real part and b is denote a imaginary part. And an imaginary part is denoted iota sign as any part has a multiplication at the any variable. So it is the imaginary part and it not the multiplication of the any variable. So a, b, c and d in any example of any variable. So it is not the real part. So I have supposing that tan inverse equals to a plus iota b, and so its equation its name is equation number 1. And I have taken the conjugate. So I have written is the command taking conjugate, and conjugate it means that the imaginary part sign has changed. So it has name it equation number 2. So I have adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Adding in equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the adding the a plus a equals to 2a, and the first equation is iota part has the positive sign and second is negative sign, so it's cancelled, and 2a equals to 10 minus inverse x plus the iota y, and sign is positive because the adding the equation and it not be subtracting, and the second equation is tan minus inverse equals to x minus the iota y. So using the trigonometry formula is tan minus inverse a plus tan minus inverse b equals to tan minus inverse a plus b divided by 1 minus ab. So according the formula, a is the sine x plus iota y and b is the x minus iota y. So putting the formula is 2a equals to tan minus inverse. So I have taken a bracket x plus iota y plus x minus iota y and divide by 1 minus x plus iota y and x minus the iota y. So using the formula x plus iota y, x minus iota y equals to a plus b, e minus b equals to a square minus b square. So 2a equals to tan minus inverse x plus का iota y plus x minus का iota y, and 1 minus formula is x square minus the iota y square, and so cancelling the iota y positive sign and it negative sign. So x plus x equals to 2x. So 2a equals to tan minus inverse 2x 1 minus x y square and iota square is minus 1, and minus 1 minus minus 1 plus 1. So I have taken the minus 1 minus minus plus का y square. So the page is full. I am taking the second page shape. So the second page is 2a equals to tan minus inverse 2x 1 minus, and is minus sign multiplication is the x square and y square. So the sign x square is positive and the y square sign is positive. So it multiplication plus minus equals to minus का y square, and it multiplication is 2a is a. So divided the both side is divided by 2, and a was to 1 divided by 2 10 minus inverse 2x 1 minus the x square minus the y square. So it part is real. So it is not be imaginary it any variable. So it part is the real part. So divided the both side, it divided 1 divided by 2, and it cancel is the left side is 2, and divided the right side in 1 divided by 2 10 minus inverse 2x 1 minus x square minus y square. So it is real parts, and imaginary part is the equation number 1 and 2 is subtracting. So subtracting the equation number 1 and 2. So I have command written as subtracting equation number 2 from 1, and the subtracting is sign, the second equation is sign is negative. So subtracting the equation number 1 and 2, and sign is the imaginary part is negative, so minus subtract, and minus minus sign is plus, and the cancel of a, and adding the iota b plus iota b, so 2 iota b, and 2 iota b equals to tan minus inverse x plus iota y, and sign is negative, so subtracting the equation, and tan minus inverse x minus the iota y. So using the formula of trigonometry, for first for the real part as to 2 iota b equals to tan minus inverse x plus iota y minus x minus iota y, and divide by 1 plus x plus iota y x minus iota y. So using the formula as a plus b equals to a square minus b square, so the denominator has the same step. So first the real part, and the trigonometric formula equals to tan minus inverse a plus tan minus inverse b equals to tan minus by a plus b minus 1ab. So the difference is the formula is negative to positive. The numerator sign is negative and denominator is positive, as the same formula for the real part step as, and solving The step is tan minus inverse x plus iota y. So multiplicative as the x is minus x and minus minus plus for the imaginary part, and 1 plus x square minus का iota y square and 2 iota p was to tan minus inverse. So cancelling the real part x and x, so adding the iota variable as iota y and iota y to 2 iota y. 2 iota y equals to 1 plus x square, and iota sign has multiplication is the bracket is y, so the square has both side and iota square and y square. The iota square equals to minus 1 and minus minus equals to plus and y square, and cancel on the iota equals to iota, so 2b equals to tan minus inverse 2y 1 plus x square plus the y square. So both sides divided into, and beta equals to tan minus inverse, and 1 divided by 2 2y 1 plus x square plus y square. So it part is imaginary part. Sorry.